Finally, we saw the signal to sell. Finally, on the daily time frame, you remember we added alerts. So this alert triggered. I don't like this type of price movement. Of course, it was before of expectation of Donald Trump CCP meeting, and some hype around we go into the moon and all of this stuff. But unfortunately, guys, BTC dominance still over than 60%. So yes, I have a bad feeling. So the ICP can drop even under $2. And my zone of interest for the ICP for a spot position, it's around the low of October 25. I'll be not surprised if this summer we will drop to that low. I'll be more than happy to see the ICP under $1.16. So just to be honest. Now we need to add alerts, opposite one, to take profit from that sales. Highly recommend you guys. No rush, just add the same alerts and track it. Track it, everything by yourself. Or you can add many alerts to all other tokens what you trade here. The rest and alerts, what is triggered. Also, here was a signal take profit from ICP 4 days ago. 4 days ago. I'm not share all alerts because it's impossible to share, just to not spam in Telegram. That's why I recommend you add that alerts and track it. You'll be one step ahead of other retail traders. So daily time frame, guys, no signals to buy yet. It was a buy, take profit, sell, drop. Weekly time frame, my main idea, guys, absolutely still the same. So I'm waiting the test of this downtrend line, and after that, going to the yearly open of zone 25. So this is it. This is what we're going to be like a liquidity pool, and that targets like main K magnet for the price. Sometimes if you're frustrated to where the price will go, just use the inverse chart. And do you think we go higher, right? In this type of position, would you open long position or the short? Personally, for me, it looks like a more short position to grab this one stop losses, and then test this down uptrend line, right? But I rather to see this sweep $2.22. For example, maybe even the $1.95, I will see the panic in the market, and after that, drop it down. That's why, anyway, if we just sweep this low or this low, I will not buy ICP for a spot. My spot interest is $1.16. This entry can be like a zone for the futures trade. Now I don't see any setup for the long futures. That's why I use the smart money concept. Zone indicator. Now, what is good? The bullish moment, guys, we broke the structure up. So this was a break of structure on a daily. It's really important. Above here, the 3 gaps. And anyway, I wish to see something like this one. Let's turn on that one, order blocks and liquidity pools. Here, tiny order block test on a daily and go higher. Well, time frame here. Today, I guess we will close this gap. This is a full fill. And so, yes, around $2.29 and $2.06, I can start looking at that futures position. And I wish to see that entry. From now, it can be like drop 18%, not in one candle. I think we can form something even like this moment. So impulse, correction, impulse to the order block. Will we grab the liquidity of February? I don't know. But I just wait that alerts. I'm going to add alert on 12 time frame to order blocks, bullish order block touch. I would like to see this touch. Identification will be in trading view in a logs. This one here. So let's go back to the market smooth money power. What do we can see here? 12 time frame. Finally, after the area, we drop it down to the disbelief area. So nothing new for the ICP by news. Some money inflow. Finally, also we see this here. 3 candles in a row. 12 time frame. Money in. On daily time frame, still no money inflow. That's why let's add also alert added, I guess. Money inflow, yes. Alert added on a daily. So I'm waiting. I need to see the money inflow like it was here last time. April 3rd. And we pump it from $2.35 to $4 over then Come on, let's count that one. Over than 75%. It was a pretty good trade. So now nothing. Nothing, guys, on a daily. That's why add alerts and track it. Let's go back to the take profit and the trade on. Trade on or locally, I would like to check here on the 4 hour time frame. Finally, here sell, take profit, buy. This is local speculation, 12 time frame. Also on the 12 time frame, also no signal to sell. No signal to take profit, I mean. So first, of course, you can add to 12 time frame take profit, and after that buy. How to work on a history here: sell, take profit, last drop, consolidation, and go higher. Daily time frame, of course, more important. Take profit, guys. We trade on a daily time frame over the exit line. That's why buy line now is $1.69. Here at the buy line, I'm gonna add also alerts. I would like to try open long position. This one. For my value of the ICP now is $1.26. This one. Here, $1.67, it's my zone of interest for the futures trade. Zone of spot interest is $1.15 and lower. Right, please send a comment what you think about ICP. If you'd like to trade as my customer, Chris, I will show in this video, use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.